In this video, we review each content block in Header section. Go to Sections, Header. In the main menu block, you can select a menu for the horizontal menu. First, create the drop-down menu at Shopify Admin Navigation. We created 3 level menus for women's and men's items, and some items without the drop-down menu. Let's go back to the editor and select the created menu. You see, here it is. The theme includes several content blocks to customize Mega Menu according to your needs. We'll add the first content block, which is labels. Let's add the label for the first level women's, then add second level item using plus symbol, and also the third level item. Here you can add labels for each level of menu items. Change the label type, hot, sale, new, or add your own label name to the text field. For example, buy now. The next block is icons for first level. The icon codes you can view in the list page. Use the code from the snippet column. We'll add icons for a few menu items and here are our changes. Let's add another block, Infoline. You can select 2 colorized styles in this block. In case you want to show this block on mobile, simply enable the option. You can select the needed content for this block by pressing button Select Page. Here you can decide if to show social media and select what media to display. In the tape content, use the scale to configure the delay appearance. Here you can select 3 colorized styles. You can also change its content by writing a new text. In case you want to organize and customize the menu items, add the Mega Menu block and write for which menu item it's supposed to be. We apply it for women's item. Use the Scale Links column size to change the column size inside the drop-down menu section. Enable an option Second level is a column to display the menu items in a column and set the column lines limit using the scale. Now we can add a content title images for women's item. In the items field, we write which title should have an image, for example, women's plus clothing, and also select an image for it. We'll edit all other item fields in the same way, and here are our changes. Now let's go back to the Mega Menu to continue customizations there. In order to organize menu columns in one block, enable an option Wrap Menu Columns to Grid and change the column size. Let's increase column lines limit to 6 and apply settings for the content position. We'll add additional content on the right by choosing the content type one item in 2 rows and change the column size to 4. Now we can add another block, Mega Promo Box. We'll add a text line, a Great About Us, and select the page with the content. Then change the layout type to display our content block. We apply settings for the text without an image. We'll add one more Mega Promo box and entitle it Here to Help. Then select an image and change the image mask for it. In the next step, we'll add the content for this blog and change the text type on text over the image. Then add an animation to move the image to center when being hovered over. In case to customize sale item, we will add another mega menu block and only set settings for additional content both on the left and right sides. And now we can add content blocks for the sale item. This will be mega promo box. For this content block, we'll select the URL for banner and also an image. Let's type the text for the first and second lines. And also add text for a button. We will change the layout type to text below the image. And here what we have got. Now we'll add another content mega brands and give the title top brands. In this content block, you can set the number of images in the row, select an image and choose the URL for each image. In the same way, we'll add few brands for our demonstration. It will be one more content block that is mega products. Entitle it if such need arises and select the collection which will be displayed here. Then change the products displaying from 1 to 12 products in the row and set the number of rows according to your needs. Now we would like to change the product's position inside the drop-down menu section. As you can see, we have too much space between the brand and products blocks, so we will navigate to Mega Menu block and fix this mistake. In the additional content on the left, we'll increase the column lines limit to 9 and in the additional content on the right to 3. It looks much better now. Now let's add mega menu for Contact Us item. You see, the drop-down menu has already appeared. Then set settings for additional content to the left with the type 1 item in the row and change the column size to 6 and do the same for the content on the right. Now we want to add the mega custom HTML to it. You can place the whole page as a content using this block. Here you can type the title and choose the URL for title. Press Select Page to view the list of pages. Let's also add the mega subscription content block for the Contact Us item. In the same way, you can type the title and choose the URL for it. We won't add any further changes here. The last content block that we want to add is Advanced Menu for Levels. You see, the gallery item has only 3 levels. We'll assign the content for a corresponding item and then view our mega menu at Shopify admin. You see, we created 3 level menu items. Now we can select the created menu in the theme editor. And here it is. Now let's check all what we have done one more time. That's it. Thank you for being with the Shella Shopify theme.